I am going to take science for you. So in the last week we had sent revision paper 1. I think all of you have practiced in the rough note. Okay children. Now this is revision paper 2. So I am going to read all the mains. Listen carefully. First main, fill in the blanks. Dash needs support to grow. So in the dash you must write creepers. 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 Second one, the shapes and sizes of plants are dash. So in the dash you must write different. Diffferent. Different. Third one, many plants are used as dash. So in the dash you must write medicine. 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 Fourth one, Raju is bringing dash from the well. So in the dash you must write water. Water, water. Now fifth one, dash gives us milk. So in the dash you must write COW, cow. Okay children. So these are the fill in the blanks. Okay children. Now once again I am going to read. First main, creepers need support to grow. Second one, the shapes and sizes of plants are different. Third one, many plants are used as medicine. Fourth one, Raju is bringing water from the well. Cow gives us milk. Okay children. Now next main, second main, write yes or no. First one, water can put out fire. So in the bracket you must write YS. Second one, vegetables must not be washed before cutting it. So in the bracket you must write NO, no. So it must be washed, no children. So before cutting the vegetables it must be washed. So here they are given it must not be washed. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you write NO, no. Third one, we do not need a house to live. So that is also wrong. So in the bracket you write N1, no. Fourth one, a house has many rooms. Yes. So in the bracket you write YES. Fifth one, drinking water should be dirty. So you're drinking water, that water must be very clean. So here they are given it must be dirty. So that is also wrong. So in the bracket you write NO, no. Now third main, give two examples of these animals. So first one, birds. So you must write for birds any two birds name. So I written here crow, pigeon. CROW, crow, PIGEON, pigeon. Second one, walking animals. So walking animals are giraffe, sheep. GIRAFFE. Giraffe, SHEEP, sheep. Third one, insects. Spider, cockroach. SPIDER, spider. COCKROACH, cockroach. Okay children, so once again I am going to read that one. Birds, crow, pigeon. Second one, walking animals, giraffe, sheep. Third one, insects, spider, cockroach. Next fourth main, missing letters. First one, plants, PLANTS, plants. Second one, container, CONTAINER, container. Third one, precious, PRECIOUS, precious. Fourth one, boiled, BOILED, boiled. Fifth one, COOLED, cooled. Okay children, so these are the missing letters. First one, plants, PLANTS, plants. Second one, container, CONTAINER, container. Third one, precious, PRECIOUS, precious. Fourth one, boiled, BOILED, boiled. Fifth one, cooled, COOLED, cooled. Now fifth main, unscramble the words. First one, NGITSAW. Here the letters are unscrambled. So you must arrange the letters and write correct word. So here the spellings is wasting, wasting. Second one, VOECDER. So the correct spelling is COVERED, covered. Third one, RROTAC. So the correct spelling is CARROT, carrot. Fourth one, NIMASLA. So the correct spelling is ANIMALS, animals. Okay, children. So once again I am going to read the correct spellings and words. First one, WASTING, wasting. Second one, COVERED, covered. Third one, carrot, CARROT, carrot. Fourth one, animals, ANIMALS, animals. Now next main, sixth main, name the food items of these animals they eat. So what food these animals eat, you must write in the dash. First one, elephant. So it eats sugarcane. SUGARCANE, sugarcane. Second, tiger. Flesh of other animals. FLESH, flesh. OF of OTHER, other. ANIMALS, animals. Flesh of other animals. Now third one, frog, insects. INSECTS, insects. Fourth one, deer, grass and leaves. GRASS, grass. and LEAVES, leaves. Now seventh main, write the homes of these animals. First one, pig. Pig is sty. STY, sty. Second one, snake. Snake hole. SNAKEHOLE, snake hole. Bird, nest. NEST, nest. Rat, hole. HOLE, hole. Okay, children. So once again I am going to read that one. Pig, sty. Snake, snake hole. Bird, nest. NEST, nest. Fourth one, rat, hole. HOLE, hole. So these are the homes of these animals. Next main, match the following. First one, in the A side, they given first one rabbit, second one chapati, third one egg, fourth one wheat, fifth one lunch. So in the B side, they given grains, N, animal, noon, wheat flour. So you must match this one. So first one, rabbit. So in the B side, in the third line it is there, that is a animal. So in the bracket you write 1. Second one, chapati. So in the B side, in the fifth line it is there, wheat flour. So there you write number 2. Third one, egg. So in the B side, in the second line it is there, hen. So there you write number 3. Fourth one, wheat. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, grains. So there you write number 4. Fifth one, lunch. So in the fourth line it is there, noon. So there you write number 5. Now I am going to say the correct answer. Rabbit, animal. Chapati, wheat flour. Egg, hen. Wheat, grains. Lunch, noon. Okay, children. Now next main, answer the following. First one, name the waste we find in our house. Answer, papers, plastic covers, sticks, vegetable peels, etc. PAPERS, papers. plasticovers, plastic covers, sticks, sticks, vegetables, vegetables, peels, peels, etc, etc. Vegetables peels means tarkari sipe. Okay children, papers, plastic covers, sticks, vegetable peels, etc. Now second one, how should we keep our home? Answer, we should keep our home neat and clean. Okay children, the spellings now. WEVSHOULD should, KEEP keep, OUR our, HOME home, NEAT neat, AND and CLEAN clean. We should keep our home neat and clean. Next third one, name 5 food items that can be eaten raw. So which vegetables you can eat, vegetables or fruits that are eaten raw, you must write that names. I have written here carrot, tomato, radish, cucumber, banana. CARROT carrot, TOMATO tomato, RADISH radish, CUCUMBER cucumber, BANANA banana. Carrot, tomato, radish, cucumber, banana. Next fourth one, from where do we get water? Answer, we get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well. WEGT get, WATE or water, FROM from, LAKES lakes, RIVERS rivers, PONDS ponds, WELL well. Okay children, we get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well, etc. Okay children, so these are the revisions of revision paper 2. Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So please practice 2 papers also in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay children, thank you.